Hey there! We've already talked about how to build an email list on this channel before. We've also touched on affiliate marketing in another past video. But what if I told you that there's a way to up your affiliate marketing game with a trick that brands use to build their email lists? Not many people know about this, so I'm really excited to share this strategy with you today. Welcome to Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. So like I said in the intro in today's video, we'll be combining a strategy that's commonly used to build email lists to market your affiliate links, and this will help you make a ton of money online. It's pretty clever actually, and I haven't seen anyone else talk about this yet, so I hope this provides you a ton of value. Let's get started. If you've been following our channel, you might already know about the basics of building an email list. So you basically start off with a hook, right? Something that people want, something that will make them give you their email address in exchange for it. And if you don't already know about that, I'll leave a link down in the description box for you, so you can check it out after watching this video. To work this particular strategy that we're talking about today, we'll need a hook too, just like the ones you use to build your email list. And here's where we can revisit the website I told you about before. It's called FreePLRdownloads.com. Again, PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which means that when you get files from this website, an ebook for instance, then you can do whatever you want with it. You can personalize it, you can change its title or cover design, you can claim you're the author even. Okay, so now let's look for an ebook that's about making money online, and to do that, you can either select a category or just click on one of these links that will take you straight into that category that you prefer. There are really a lot to choose from. See here, there's one on advertising, beauty blogging, bodybuilding, the law of attraction, parenting, etc., etc. Okay, so once you select the category that you want, you can just choose from any of these books or even download all of them by simply clicking on this button over here. And without any effort, you have your hook, an ebook. And I'll show you in a bit how you can use that to push your affiliate links and make a lot of extra money online. Because we want to focus on how to make money online, I want to choose the business or entrepreneur category and pick a book from there. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, here we are. I see one that looks interesting. It's called Let's Make Money Online, and I'm going to download this by simply scrolling down until I see the download button. As you can see, it's free of charge, and I'm able to save it in my PC right away. Okay, now that we have our ebook, the next step in this strategy can be found on this website called Clickbank.com. If you don't know, Clickbank is an affiliate marketing network, also known as online reseller platform. If you're not familiar with how that works, what you can do with Clickbank is choose from their suite of products, which are mostly digital, and sell them as an affiliate. And every time you're able to sell using one of your links, you then earn a commission. We made a separate video about this on our channel, so you can also check that out on the description box. There will be a link waiting for you. Okay, so for Clickbank, I do know that this doesn't work in all territories, but don't fret because there's a similar platform called digistore24.com, which is basically the same thing. The main difference is it's a smaller company with less products to choose from, but they're also available in more territories. So I suggest that you try both Clickbank and Digistore24 and check which works for you and where you can find a product that you want to promote as an affiliate. Okay, so to pick a product, what you'll need to do is to register and create an account. Now that you have your affiliate link and your ebook, what you want to do is insert your affiliate link into your ebook. So to do this, we can head over to a free website called pdf2docx.com. And as the name states, on this website, you'll be able to convert PDF files into editable documents so that besides customizing the ebook as you please, you'll be able to insert your affiliate links into the text. Don't worry, you won't need to download any software for this, and everything can be done online. So simply upload the PDF file here like so, and then click on download as soon as that's ready. This is a great strategy because both your ebook and affiliate product are about making money online, and chances are whoever gets a hold of your ebook is seeking to gain extra knowledge in that particular subject, which is why promoting your affiliate link in the ebook is a way to get warm leads and earn commissions right away. To achieve maximum results from this strategy, I suggest that you include your link in more than one part of the ebook. Typically, I would do this at the start and around the end of the book. So after you've edited the book as you please and have pasted your links, you'll need to convert it back into a PDF file, and then you can just do the same thing on PDF to docx.com, this time clicking on docx to PDF instead of the other way around. Once you've downloaded your updated PDF file, then we can go to talking about the last step of this process, which is also the bonus I'm so excited to share with you. It's called freeebooks.net. And if you've never heard of it before, well, it's a website that gets only 1.2 million views each month. Given its name, the platform offers free ebooks to its users who are hungry for information. And because it does offer books for free, books that are published on this platform are sure to get at least thousands of downloads each month. So consider this. You only need to get a few dozen purchases of your affiliate product in order to make hundreds and hundreds in commission, right? So this is definitely the place you need to be if you want something extra, something free, something really simple, and something that guarantees heavy traffic and warm leads. It just makes it that much easier to make passive income monthly. So if you're interested, you can join for free. Just go ahead and fill out the required account details, log in and publish your book to allow access to more than 1 million people who visit this website every single month. I have a few tips to help you succeed in this. Number 1, you'll want to choose an appropriate title for your book. Number 2, make sure to market it in its correct category. And number 3, use keywords or key phrases that are related to both the book and your affiliate product. And after that, you're good to go. I hope you found today's content useful, and if you did, go ahead and get started so you can begin making passive income and building wealth at the soonest possible time. Remember that tomorrow you'll only be wishing that you had taken a step and started today. If you got any value from this video, do subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below because it really supports our channel. Thank you so much. Alrighty then, I'm signing off until the next one.